Tomatoes, the vibrant jewels of the vegetable world, have long been cherished not just for their culinary versatility, but also for their economic potential. For farmers and gardeners alike, selecting the right tomato variety can make a significant difference in profitability. While there are countless varieties to choose from, some have consistently proven to be more profitable due to their yield, disease resistance, market demand, and unique characteristics. Here are the top 5 profitable tomato varieties that have captured the attention of growers and consumers alike. First on the list is the ever-popular Roma tomato. Known for its dense, meaty texture and low moisture content, Roma tomatoes are a staple in the production of sauces, pastes, and canning. Their oblong shape and vibrant red color make them visually appealing, while their rich flavor enhances any dish. From a profitability standpoint, Roma tomatoes offer a high yield per plant, making them a favorite among commercial growers. Their resistance to common diseases such as fusarium wilt and verticillium wilt further enhances their appeal, reducing the need for extensive chemical treatments and thereby cutting costs. The consistent demand for processed tomato products ensures that Roma tomatoes remain a profitable choice year after year. Next, we have the cherry tomato, a small but mighty contender in the tomato market. Cherry tomatoes, with their bite-sized, sweet, and juicy nature, are a hit in salads, snacks, and garnishes. Their appeal lies not only in their taste, but also in their vibrant colors, ranging from classic red to golden yellow and even deep purple. These tomatoes are highly productive, often producing fruit continuously throughout the growing season. Their compact size allows for efficient space utilization, whether grown in open fields or greenhouses. The increasing consumer trend towards healthy, convenient snacks has bolstered the demand for cherry tomatoes, making them a profitable crop for both small-scale and large-scale operations. The beefsteak tomato stands as a giant in the world of tomatoes, both in size and profitability. Renowned for their large size, juicy flesh, and robust flavor, beefsteak tomatoes are a favorite for sandwiches and burgers, where a single slice can cover an entire surface. Their impressive size and weight often translate into higher market prices, especially when sold directly to consumers at farmers markets or through specialty grocers. However, their profitability is not solely due to size. Beefsteak tomatoes are also valued for their ability to thrive in various growing conditions, including hydroponic systems, which can extend the growing season and increase yield. Their appeal to both chefs and home cooks ensures a steady demand, making them a wise choice for growers looking to maximize profits. Another variety that has captured the hearts of many is the heirloom tomato. These tomatoes are celebrated for their unique shapes, colors, and flavors, often evoking a sense of nostalgia and culinary adventure. Heirloom tomatoes are open-pollinated, meaning they are not hybridized, and their seeds can be saved and replanted, preserving their genetic lineage. This aspect alone makes them attractive to organic and sustainable farmers. While heirloom tomatoes may not always boast the highest yields, their market value is significantly higher due to their perceived exclusivity and superior taste. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for heirloom varieties, especially when they are marketed as locally grown or organic. The diversity within the heirloom category allows growers to experiment with different types, catering to niche markets and culinary enthusiasts, thus enhancing their profitability. Finally, the grape tomato rounds out our list of profitable varieties. Similar in appearance to cherry tomatoes, but slightly oblong in shape, grape tomatoes are prized for their firm texture and sweet flavor. They have become increasingly popular as a healthy snack option, often sold in convenient, resealable containers. Grape tomatoes are known for their extended shelf life compared to other varieties, which reduces waste and increases marketability. Their high yield and disease resistance make them an excellent choice for growers looking to minimize input costs while maximizing output. The growing trend towards fresh, ready-to-eat produce has positioned grape tomatoes as a staple in supermarkets and a profitable venture for producers. In conclusion, the profitability of tomato varieties hinges on a combination of factors, including yield, disease resistance, market demand, and consumer trends. Roma, cherry, beefsteak, heirloom, and grape tomatoes each offer unique advantages that cater to different segments of the market. Whether it's the robust flavor of a beefsteak, the nostalgic appeal of an heirloom, or the snackable convenience of a cherry or grape tomato, each variety presents opportunities for growers to capitalize on their strengths. By understanding these dynamics and aligning them with market demands, tomato growers can ensure a fruitful and profitable harvest.